Hello friend, this is Cosmos flower and it is a very beautiful winter flower. It grows particularly in winter season. To grow Cosmos in my garden I have used normal garden soil 60% and river sand for drainage, mustard cake powder little bit and cow dung compost and vermicompost. If you don't have cow dung compost, then you can use only vermicompost. But I have both vermicompost and cow dung compost. That's why I have taken both these items and I have mixed this very nicely. This is the soil mixture that I am going to use for growing Cosmos flower. And I have used a pot of 10 inch. You can use more than that, but not less than 10 inch. Make sure that you have a drainage hole, and I am placing just little stones around the hole, and I am placing these small stones because of adequate drainage of the excess water, and then I am giving the small stones around it. If you don't have, then you can use river sand around the small stones. Then give the soil and so this are the little saplings of Cosmos flower, and I have taken, actually I have bought these saplings from the local nursery, and it cost only 3 rupees per piece. Just make a little hole in the soil and place the saplings, and just give some soil around it and place properly. First 2 or 3 days place the saplings under shade. If you place these saplings under direct sunlight, then this will harm your plant. That's why I am placing these saplings under shade for 2 or 3 days, and then I will brought them into the direct sunlight. And this is the proper way of watering a plant. Just take some water in a pot and then place the pot into the water. Water will come with the through the drainage hole, and water will reach all the places. Now you will see this video after 30 days. The petals are coming out. Make sure that you put water regularly. don't let the soil dry. So that's why you can give water to every alternative day, and place this plant in a place where they get 5 to 6 hours sunlight. If you give them the whole day sunlight, then there will be no damage to the plant. They need much sunlight for the flowering. Just clean the surface and dig the soil as required. Now you are seeing after 50 days of planting the cosmos, nice flowering has come out, and the petals are very beautiful. There are lots of varieties you can find in the market. Now I have 3 colors. All the flowering have not come out. All the flowers have not come out. In some days, the flowers will take place in every buds. There are lots more, and one thing interesting is that cosmos flowering take place for 2 to 3 months, and they give constant flowering. Very beautiful flower, and you can grow these flowers in every place, in your garden, in your terrace, in your rooftop, in every places, and there is no much care for this plant. See how many flowers has come out. When a flower will dry up, then remove the flower instantly. It will encourage more flowering in your plant. If you don't need the seeds, then remove the dry flower instantly. And if you need the seeds, then let it be dry. For additional fertilizer, I have used liquid fertilizer, liquid mustard cake fertilizer. You can use it in every 15 days. Just take 10 gram of mustard cake and let it brew for 10 days, and then mix the mustard cake liquid fertilizer in 10 liter of water, and then apply to the plant. It will encourage the consistent flowering in your plant. How many flowers has come out, and beautiful coloring has taken place. So if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and share the video. Don't forget to comment and hit the like button. Thank you very much.